Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to request a signature in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now requesting signatures is useful for contracts, agreements, approval, and business documents. So first you're going to open the iLovePDF website by going to ilovepdf.com. Once you're in the home page, you're going to open the e-sign feature. We're going to look for the e-sign feature now right here. And scroll all the way down until you find the e-sign feature. Now, as you can see, this is the sign feature. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to select a PDF file. Now, you're going to choose whether several people to invite others to sign in. So you're going to click on several people. Then you enter the name or set or change the expiration date. Make sure to edit these options right here, depending on your preferences. Here you're going to enter the recipient's email address, add sign-in fields, and choose where the signatures are required. You can also add names, dates, initials, and other required fields. And once configured, you're going to send the request and wait for the recipient to receive the email. Then you're going to track the sign-in progress, and many businesses use e-sign requests for remote work, legal documents, and client agreements, and onboarding forms. Another use step is reviewing all signature fields before sending to avoid delays. And finally, electronic signatures requests eliminate the need for printing and scanning documents. And that's it. Now you know how to request a signature in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.